All right, this video is about how to get your plot styles configured and set up in AutoCAD. So first thing you want to do is take the plot files that we have, which are labeled right here, .ctb. We have HP color, HP fine, and HP regular. Figure out wherever they are in your computer, wherever you downloaded them to, and select those and select them, right click and pick copy. And then toggle over to AutoCAD. And I just have any old drawing open. Go up here to AutoCAD, to the big A, and right down here you're gonna let the flyout window come out for print. And down here it's Manage Plot Styles. This opens this wonderful window here, which is a file directory that is incredibly hard to find. But this is where AutoCAD looks for those plot files. So what you want to do is right click and pick paste. And now I'm not actually going to do this because mine are already here. So once you have done this, you can go ahead and close this window and then exit AutoCAD and then restart AutoCAD. Once you're back into AutoCAD, again, open any old drawing, go up to File, pick Print. Of course, it's referencing an old printer we don't have anymore. So pick a printer that you do have, or let's just say we're going to Adobe PDF. Okay, we're going to Adobe. And then over here is where you're going to be able to now pick HP color, HP fine, and HP regular. Most everything we do is with HP regular, because if we are downscaling an image, then we want to pick right over here, scale line weights, to make it the line weights thinner. And we almost never use HP color. So there you go. That's how we get our plot styles into AutoCAD.